Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about this massive crash, what we are right now witnessing on many markets, not just on the crypto market. So I'm going to talk about the reasons why is Japan partly the reason of this crash, what's happening with the unemployment, what's up with the rate cuts, there could be an emergency meeting. So a lot of things in this video to summarize and see and have a clear picture what is right now happening. And guys, don't forget, every single day I making you fresh videos here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date about crypto and blockchain. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, just simply subscribe. You know, I was away in July on a holiday, but every single day you still got short videos. The most important news on that day, and also on Mondays you had this weekly summaries. But now I'm back, and now from today again I'm making these longer videos continuously between Monday and Thursday. And of course, you're getting several short videos every single day to keep you up to date. So guys, subscribe, very simple. And yeah, first we're going to start with the market. Let's have a look. Yeah, well, here we can see that the Bitcoin is right now at 50,887 US dollar. Well, this is in a week, almost 27% decrease, but in the last 24 hours, 16%. That's heavy. Ethereum is actually 22% down just in the last 24 hours and 32% in a week. Well, no point to look at the winners, I guess. You can see stable coins, but look at the losers. Bread is down 32%, but 57 in a week. So we have Lido 31% and Jasmine coin down 29% almost. So significant drops on the crypto market. The altcoins are bleeding. And well, when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see here the daily chart. And today, Bitcoin was all the way down to 49,050 US dollar. And well, I marked this here, the next level. It was around 48 something. But anyway, in this area. And well, we should watch. Let's see what's happening, because the market is still, in a weak conditions. We're going to see how things going through the week, because today is it's Monday and it's a tough start. And well, let's get into the details a little bit. First of all, when we're looking at the Fear and Greed Index, then we can see that right now it's at 26. We were at 74 a week ago, so totally in greed. Now we totally in fear. Watch a sharp, what is a sharp change. Looking at liquidations, when you look at this, let me real quick just. So yeah, look, longs, basically more than 1 billion US dollar were liquidated in longs. If you're looking at the 24-hour period. So this is very significant. You should be very careful if you trade, how you trade. Yeah, okay. Let's now watch the first thing. And the first thing, it's all about Japan. So what's happening basically right now there? Japan works kind of differently than the rest of the world, put it this way, because they had, they don't have these rate cuts nowadays. They had a kind of flat zero rate or even minus, but now BOJ started to increase interest rate, because their economy is also pretty weak. And actually what's happening right now, Japanese yen compared to the US dollar, as you can see it here, more clearer, it's getting actually stronger and stronger. And now this can end carry trade. And what is carry trade? Carry trade is basically when you invest, borrow something with very, very low interest rate, which you can do there in Japan, or could do, you could get Japanese yen, and then you invest in another something asset like the US stock market. And this was very good for a while because it just brought you a lot of profit. Just simply just have it somewhere else, because you wouldn't get any interest if you have it in Japan. Therefore, this is what many investors did. But now what we can see, that with the interest rate increase in Japan and with the yen getting stronger, now what they have to do, they have to sell their assets to pay back their Japanese yen. And this is what we can see, because when you sell your stock and any other things, then sell pressure starts, and this is what's happening right now on many markets. Here we have Japanese stock market suffers the worst losses in 1987. Then we have Robinhood was actually disabled for a while, trading on Robinhood. I think this is also a crazy thing. South Korea's stock market trading was there halted. When we're looking at Taiwan's stock market crashes to the worst day in 57 years. This is also kind of significant. And now we have another CME gap. We had a CME gap on the way down around 58,000-ish, but we definitely, filled that one. And this one usually should be filled as well, but this is going to happen probably on the way back. This is actually a bullish CME gap, put it this way. And also, when we're looking at, jobs, it came out, the unemployment rate rises in the United States 4.3, and they expected 4.1. And this is just way too big. And when you're looking at it, how it looks like, then usually when we have starts to increase, then it's coming very quickly to rapid further increase. What happened in 2008, it happened in 2020, and now we are about to see something. So this is what we also should watch. Then, we had not long ago, end of July, the FOMC meeting, and they didn't decrease the interest rate. And they said maybe then, probably in September, but 2% inflation is the goal, what they would like to reach. And if everything works smoothly, then they're going to do it. But now they kind of forced to do it. And now when you're looking at, we're not talking about the general public things. It's not about like 25 basis points. We're talking about 50 basis points rather. 90%, 90 point, actually that changed, I think. Did it? Well, almost the same. So almost 90% is saying it's going to be a 50 basis point rate cut. But now 10% is talking about a 75 basis point rate cut. And actually maybe somebody is saying that could be a Fed emergency meeting when they have already a rate cut and have another rate cut in September. So that could be interesting, because they have to make the economy work, and now a lot of bad things happening on markets all around the world, and they have to make their own move. We have the EU already decreased the interest rate a bit. We had Canada, we had many other countries already, but US haven't done anything, just waiting for many FOMC meetings in the row. And this is what they usually do. They mess it up either direction, and now probably again waited too long. And we have this, will Iran attack Israel? This could be a question. They said it last couple of days, then they preparing attacks. And if this is happening, there's the war situation. It's always at the beginning, it's always bad. War itself is bad through the whole war. I won't just say for the market. Then it's basically uncertainty. And when you're looking at the bigger picture, you can see a COVID crash, right? What we had back in 2020, and then we had the V-shaped recovery. So it can easily happen if history repeats itself. Then in this period, when we are approaching the bull market, now we have another crash. Here they were also forced printing money, Now, with rate cuts, the same going to happen, which can, even we can further go down and then can bring us back. And Bitcoin and some of these liquid assets, reacted very fast on the crash and went down straight away. Property market is much slower, obviously. But also, these are the first ones which react on the increase and coming back first. So this could be actually positive things. So guys, I just wanted to quickly summarize what's happening right now on the market so you guys have a clear picture. And we should watch it now. Now, these are painful days. But I do believe that, and another thing, what happened also last week, that when we're looking at the statistics, it showed that in this presidency race, between Trump and Kamala Harris, Kamala is really catching up. So before it was like a clear win for Donald Trump, and now she's coming up. Really, especially for the crypto people, it worries them, and also for the wider market, we can say that the majority investors rather would have Trump as a president. That would bring some move to the upwards in the market, but this got a bit shaken recently as well. So a lot of things happening in the same time, and now this is the reason why we're bleeding. Crypto is volatile, but also, as you can see, stock market, major stocks going down significantly. But it takes for a while. But after, when it's over, then be coming back. So we have to be kind of patient, I guess. Guys, don't forget, every single day, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And tomorrow, I'm back with another video. And today you will have short videos, tomorrow short videos. So I'm basically back on track. I'm back from holiday, and I think we're living in interesting times. For many investors, this is what they were waiting for, because they would like to buy on lower prices. But there is fear on the market. Many people panic selling, so it's not an easy thing. But to being an investor in the stock market, in crypto, it's not easy. It looks easy from the outside, but emotionally, it's very difficult, to be honest with you. And yes, when the market is going up, it's bullish, totally. It's so easy to make money, but you have to be successful in long term. And then for that, you have to be in these bearish times there as well. Guys, see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.